Okay, so welcome to today's edition, JK Market, and today I want to teach you something about the MetaTrader 4. That's the trading platform that we will be using. So our previous videos, I showed you how you will be able to register with a broker. The broker, I have put the broker link in the descriptions. I ask that you subscribe for more videos. So today we are going to learn something different. But before we start, I want to remind you that Forex is risky and is not suitable for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, does not indicate your future success. So stay cool, stay humble, and focus on the long term. So now I want to change the chart background to the kind of background I use when trading. So first of all, you right click and then you go to properties. And at properties, there are different colors. Now I explained to you that bar down means a sell and bar up means a buy. So supposing I want my chart to look black, red and green, okay, on a white background. So I choose a white background. Then the foreground is the price over the time. So I want to make that one black, okay. And then I want to make the bar up. Most of the time it's green and the bar down is red. Okay. So bulls are the buyers, so I'll make it green. And the bears are the sellers, I'll make it red. Okay. Then I don't want a grid line, so I want to change it to white. So this is what I wanted. Now I've changed the chart background. So now this is how to zoom in and this is how to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so I'm zooming out. So this is how the background of your chart will look like. Maybe you also want you don't like the greenish too, so you want a blue. So bar up, you are changing it to a blue color. And this to a blue. Okay, so this is another one. Now this thing here is an indicator. So you can right click on it to tell you what kind of indicator it is. It's telling you that it has been calculating the average of 14 candles. Okay, so this one too, you can change it depending on what you want to measure in the market. Okay, so mostly I use 200 to show me the trend of the market. So currently this means that my pair is on an uptrend. Okay, so it depends on what you are doing, and these are the time frames. Each time frame means that after the time, one candle will form. So when you go to 5 minutes, it means that after every 5 minutes a new candle will form. After every 15, when you go to 15 minutes, means after every 15 minutes a new candle will form. When you go to monthly, it means after every month one candle will form. Okay, and then we have the arrows. This the cursor. We have this for measuring your peep, how long the pair have moved. Then this is a vertical to direct you to a particular time. So this one is 2015, and this is the horizontal line to direct you to a particular price. Okay, then we have the trend line. This is a trend line. So if you want to draw a trend line, this is how to help you draw a trend line. Okay, and then we have the shapes. So you want to draw a circle, maybe you want to draw a triangle, and we have a square. Then we have this called a pitfall. Pitfalls I use the indicators to tell you a trend. Okay, We have regression and the rest. So, and then we have line graph, different type of graphs, but we normally use the candlesticks. And we have this if you want to group your charts. Okay. So that's basically for today's. I've showed you how to design your own chart template and make it colorful for your trading. So that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments in the comment section to tell YouTube this is a quality content, and I'll continue posting more videos to make you a good and a perfect trader. Thank you.